Welcome back! In the last video, we explored ISBNs and where to apply for them. In this episode of Indie Publishing in Canada, I'm walking you through joining Amazon KDP, exploring the dashboard, and uploading your first manuscript. So let's go! To get started, go to Amazon KDP at kdp.amazon.com and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you'll create it first. Once inside, you'll complete your account setup. Author/publisher name, contact information, banking details for royalty payments, tax information. For Canadian authors, you'll complete the U.S. tax interview form to avoid unnecessary withholding. It's straightforward and done inside your dashboard. Once that's complete, your account is live. When you log in, you'll see your bookshelf. This is where all your titles live. At the top of your dashboard, you'll find access to Reports, where you track royalties and sales, Community, KDP resources and help guides, Marketing, where you can run Amazon ads, but for now, focus on the bookshelf. That's where your publishing workflow begins. Click the yellow button, Create New Title or Series at the top of your dashboard. It is important to note that each format is set up differently. Here you can create Kindle ebook, paperback, hardcover, series. You may have noticed that audiobooks are not part of the options. That's because they are created elsewhere. For this example, we will go through the process of creating a paperback book. Across the top navigation, you'll find the setup process has 3 main sections. Book details, where you will provide key details about your book, such as title and subtitle, author name, description, this is your sales copy, keywords, categories, etc. The next section is content upload. This is where you will upload your manuscript file, upload your cover, enter your ISBN for print editions, or choose Amazon's free one. Preview your book using KDP's preview tool, etc. The last section is for pricing and distribution. Here you will set your territories, set your list price, this one is important, review royalty options, publish your book for sale. Take your time in this process. Rushing here is where most first-time authors make avoidable mistakes, especially with formatting and metadata. Let's review what we've learned. Before you can upload a manuscript, you must join Amazon KDP and complete your account setup. Select the right publication format for your manuscript. Don't forget to take your time when setting your print options, keywords, territories, list price, etc. Amazon KDP makes independent publishing accessible, but accessibility isn't the same as strategy. In the next episode of Indie Publishing in Canada, we'll revisit the application for an ISBN account with Library and Archives Canada, requesting ISBN blocks, and how we use them with Amazon KDP. We will also touch briefly on copyright in Canada. If this helped, subscribe and share it with another Canadian author. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.